AIRCARE EP9 800 Digital Whole House Pedestal-Style by AIRCARE is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Pedestal-Style humidifier for a whole house up to 400 square feet. Assembled product weight 27 pounds. Digital humidistat automatically maintains your desired humidity level with digital accuracy. Digital readout displays actual humidity level, desired humidity level or fan speed, voltage 120 volts. 9 fan speeds allows you to select your ideal performance level. Tile can also be replaced with any standard 12 inches by 12 inches tile to match your room's decor dimensions. 18 inches by 18 inches by 25 inches H. Automatically shuts off when desired humidity level is reached or when unit is empty. The manufacturer's innovative tower humidifier with stylish surface insert is sure to complement any decor. The manufacturer's humidifiers work by adding invisible moisture to your environment by moving dry air through a saturated wick. Maintaining proper humidity levels between 30 and 50% in your home office workplace has been scientifically proven to help prevent the flu and allergies. Proper humidity hydrates your skin, alleviates dry eyes, scratchy throats and can reduce snoring. With a doctor's approval, increased humidity can reduce asthma and allergy symptoms. It also protects fine furniture, musical instruments, collectibles and wood floors. Proper humidity makes you feel warmer, allowing you to lower your thermostat setting, which will save money. This is an evaporative humidifier and essential oils can damage the unit.